Seems to be a theme in Texas. Every time it rains for days, I end up doing super badass suspension lifts for trucks like this F250. Have I mentioned that the new body style F250 is probably one of my favorite trucks in existence? Of course, it is a Ford, and everybody knows how I feel about Fords. I'd invite you to stick around and see how it turns out. The customer has a very awesome package picked out, and I'm excited about it. And so we have the truck on the rack, and assembly slash disassembly is underway. Disassembly of the front end is taking place now. The rear end is assembled and ready to go. In case you ever wondered and did not know how a lot of these lifts are designed, there is a lift block in the rear. We're going to just walk over to the front. We have replacement springs for the front and a whole bunch of other bracketry and accoutrements that are involved in a 6-inch suspension lift. This kit keeps the factory radius arms, and it's actually a pretty darn good kit. Getting the wheels and tires ready to go onto a truck is in many ways one of my favorite parts about a build. This customer decided to go with the fuel Sledge in a 22x12 with a -40 offset, and you can see that it's just a huge offset. That lip is about the whole extent of my hand. We have the Toyo Open Country RT in a 13.5 on a 22, and this is going to be an awesome wheel and tire package for this lift. I just can't wait to put these wheels on there. Of course, in many ways, one of the main reasons for putting a suspension lift on a truck is so that you can fit a larger wheel and tire package, and this definitely will not disappoint. We've got the front end almost completely back together now. We're just putting the drag link back up. Pretty soon we'll put those wheels on, we'll get back to the ground, and then head on the way to the alignment rack. All finished up and shining in the sun. These builds fill me with joy and satisfaction. Again, we've got a 6-inch suspension lift. We went with 22x12 fuel Sledge, gloss black and milled, 37x13.5 on a 22 Toyo Open Country RTs. And now we're gonna call the customer and let him know that he can pick up his truck. I do believe he's got a road trip coming up at the end of this weekend. The sun is shining. What a perfect day to deliver an amazing truck. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's Trent. If you've got an F250 or a truck or a vehicle that has 4 wheels and you want it modified and made it more badass, please give me a call, 469-424-0028, just as for Trent. Check me out online, 4x4works.com, Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. Of course, watch my other videos. Click that like button, follow, subscribe. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.